Ever wondered why two-step verification is such a big deal? Well, in the digital world, securing our personal information has never been more critical. Two-step verification is a powerful tool in our cybersecurity arsenal. It adds an extra layer of protection to our accounts, making it harder for cybercriminals to gain access. But how does one go about enabling this security feature? Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Google account. Once there, click on the Security tab found on the left navigation panel. Look for the Signing into Google section, where you'll find the two-step verification option. Click on it. Next, you'll need to click on Get Started. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once signed in, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. This is where Google will send a verification code every time you attempt to sign in from a new device or location. After entering your phone number, select whether you'd like to receive your verification code via text message or phone call. Once you've made your selection, click on Next. You'll then receive a verification code on your phone. Enter this code into the provided field and click on Next again. To finish, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to turn on two-step verification. Click Turn On, and voila! You've just enabled two-step verification for your Google account. To summarize, enabling two-step verification involves navigating to the Security tab in your Google account, finding and clicking on the two-step verification option, entering your phone number, choosing how you'd like to receive your verification code, entering the code, and finally confirming that you want to turn on two-step verification. Remember, cybersecurity is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. Two-step verification is just one of many steps we can take to protect our digital lives, so stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep your information secure.